Hello everyone, welcome to Gobe's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my vegetable soup. So these are my ingredients I'm going to be using to prepare my 1 pot of vegetable soup, also known as Edikankong. So this is my neatly washed goat meat. I'm going to add my salt, my seasoning, my kanda and my onions. I add my cow skin very early because it's very hard, so you can get soft before the food is ready. I add my pepper. So I added my stockfish and my dry fish. So I'm going to stir. I'm going to let it boil for like a minute or two. So this is after a few minutes. So I'm going to add water. I'm going to stir and cover for the meat to tender a bit, and then I add the rest of the ingredients. Hello everyone, welcome back. So as you can see, our stock is boiling. So I'm just going to add my fish and a little bit of onion. Also going to add my crayfish. I'm going to add my red oil. I'm going to stir. I'm going to cover it and let it boil for a few more minutes. As you can see, our sauce is boiling. I'm going to add our water leaf. So I've added our water leaf. So I'm going to add my periwinkle and I'm going to adjust with spices. I'm going to adjust with seasoning and salt. I'm going to give that a good stir. So I added a little bit of palm oil. And so I'm going to let it boil for just a minute, and then I'll add my vegetable, that's ugu leaf, and our soup is ready. So this is 1 minute later. So I'm going to be adding my vegetable. So this is my vegetable. I've just added it. I'm just going to stir. This tastes so great. You know, your vegetable doesn't need too much of the fire. I added a bit of palm oil. I'm just going to cover it for 2 minutes for it to cook. So as you can see, our soup is ready. So this is how to make your vegetable soup. So very easy and simple. Bye. Thanks for watching.